In this video, I want to discuss price action strategies for binary options. Welcome to this new video from binaryoptions.com. We want to start to make our analysis in the euro dollar and also in the currency pair US dollar Japanese yen. Maybe today we will find also some live trades, but let me start how to use price action, how to analyze the chart. If I want to trade, for example, 60-second trades, 1-minute trades, right here, very short time frames, I will start to analyze the chart in the higher time frame. This can be the 5-minute chart. You see it's at the moment on the 5-minute chart, candlestick chart. It also can be the 15-minute chart. I wouldn't go higher like the 15-minute chart if I want to trade 60-second trades. So first of all, I want to see the bigger trend. I want to see the trend. I want to see important prices. What is the price doing there? What is the price doing there? And yeah, the bigger time frame gives me a good overview about the actual movement and the bigger trend. If you see the bigger time frame, it's just more important, far more important than the smaller time frames, because the trends in the bigger time frames are stronger than the trends in the smaller time frames. Every time you see this, and it's a good analysis technique if you use multiple time frames for the price action. So what we are seeing here is the euro dollar. It came down from here below the 1.00, and now we have a correction right here. We see this pin candle, and this is just a price action sign for me for a turn move. You see this candle, and if we see these wicks or pin candles or hammers, it's called like this here. It's just a return signal. And let's check out what's happening on the left side, because this is very important. Is there a support? Yeah, right now we see here's some support, a low. We can see a low here below the 1.00, and I will mark that with a rectangle. This is a support area because the price came from up here and went up there. So I'm doing this rectangle, this box, and I see here the price action. The mark comes down, consolidating, and goes up. The box, many people ask how detailed the box should be. It must be so detailed that I have certain prices to move the box in. I just want to know that here is a support area, a support price, and then I watching the chart in the future, and I'm watching what the price is doing there. Let's draw this thing, and what we can see here is that the price dropped in the support area. Also important to see is we see the low here on the lower line of the box. You see this here, and now we see the market is taking out this low. We see this in the 50-minute chart, and it's also called fake breakout with a confirmation setup of the candle. We see it drops down in the support area, takes out the low, and this is typical price action. The price comes back, and often people have to close their positions. Stop losses are triggered, and so the market does this movement, this turns, this fake breakouts, and we can trade this with binary options. This is the best setup I have for you to trade with binary options. This is really true here. This is the best setup. If you see these fake breakouts, you can trade it for sure with a very high hit rate. This is my best setup. Yeah, and now what we can trade here, the move is already in action. The problem here is I'm too late, guys. I'm too late. I would not do a long trade here because the move is already happened here below here. The best option were to trade in the 15-minute chart. This is 15-minute chart, to trade these candles here up here, and we see we would make a win, 2 losses, again some winning trades, so we can calculate the risk with martingale, double up our position if we lose a trade. This is a very nice setup. Let's check out the 5-minute chart, what's happening there. You see, nice move, and you could trade these candles very easily. And also we see, if we zoom in, here right now is a support area. You could trade these candles. Simple as that. Switching to the 1-minute chart, what's happening there? Yeah, here we see just more movement, and I will delete this rectangle. We know there's a support, I showed you. Yeah, what we see here, nice support after the turn, and you could trade this very easily. Here, I mean, here is a low, breaks through the low, supporting again, and goes up. Perfect setup. And yeah, a lot of opportunities to trade. Now the market is here like this in the consolidation phase. I would not trade this. I want to trade the chart in this area because my hit rate would be very high, because I know the chart is on a turning point. Now what we see here is that the chart is doing a correction, yeah, with the trend again. So this was typical against the trend. You saw the bigger trend, and now we see correction. Okay, high, lower high, maybe a drop. Maybe you could trade this. This is very small scalping here, but I don't know if I would trade it. I will wait this candle, check out the US dollar, Japanese yen. We also do the same thing here. Let's check the 5-minute chart. What's happening here? Is here anything resistance? It seems not. On the left side, no. And yeah, the chart goes definitely up here, and yeah, let's switch back. Okay, I can trade here, one trade, short against the trend, against the setup, because we're going with the big trend, and here is some exhaustion at this high. Market exhausts, and yeah, this is a small scalp trade with price action. Yeah, good setup. Think we will win this trade. Here is the high, here's the lower high, and the market goes down 1, 2, 3. It can break this low. Yeah, good trade. Nice trade. And this is how I doing price action, guys. Bigger picture first, then pick out the best setups, and you make this money like here. You see the last trades all won. And yeah, keep going. The strategies, this is perfect price action strategies. Switch back to the US dollar, Japanese yen. I also will show you what's here. You saw in the bigger trend in the 5-minute chart, we are in an uptrend, and now we have the support here, around here. We just trade with the trend. You see these lows, and you can pick up your trades here, or even if the market comes below here, we can do some trades, but I don't think this market will drop further. It just goes up, and that's all. The most important thing is to zoom out. Don't trade like this. You you don't see anything if you trade like this. This is completely nonsense. You have to zoom out and check the price action, then you can actually make money with binary options. Yeah, this was my tutorial. Price action, the perfect price action trading strategy, the perfect price action setup. You see here also that the market is dropping. Nice one. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next one, and don't forget to subscribe to binaryoptions.com and visit the website binaryoptions.com. Bye.